Time to install Windows Embeddable POSRED. Ha 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 ha. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this on. Let's plug in the USB drive. Turn this on. F9. Change boot device auto. Okay, and now head down to the SATA USB flash drive. Whatever. And it is saying be in installation environment, so yeah, it's gonna be great. POS ready, me excited for POS ready. I'll go bring up the stream. Is anyone watching? No one's watching yet, but I'm sure we'll get there. I'll bring up the product key as well on my screen, so there we go. Alright, awesome. So, as you can see, it's Windows XP, but it's actually POS ready. So, press any key for command prompt. I have no use for command prompt, so yeah. Welcome to Windows Embedded POSRED 2009 Setup Wizard. Next. Choose next. Okay. I clicked next. Is it gonna go next? Oh, it is being so. This PC is very old. I guess that makes sense. Funny, because this is actually the window right here, right? But it has like a fake window. Alright, interactive setup, yep. Next. Must enter the license key. Hang on, I got this. Okay, let's enter the license key I got from the download page, because that's how good the security was back then. So KFT KFT 8L TMH HF4 GKT2P GKT2P. Okay, KGDHH KGDHH, and then FXPMB FXPMB. Okay, next. Proxy type is not valid. What did I do wrong? KFT KF. Oh, it's KFF 8L. It's how to look without showing my face on the screen. Next. There we go. I accept the license agreement. Next. Is anyone watching the stream moment? Nope. I've got a notification on YouTube though. I missed Windows XP. Someone commented. Well, you can still use Windows XP. It's, you know, just because it's dead. That's because Microsoft doesn't support it doesn't mean it doesn't work. The PS2 isn't supported by Sony, but that never stopped me. Okay, so my name is Silika. My organization is PS Mobile, obviously. Alright, next. I don't think I have any storage drivers, so please wait or set up your drive and partition information. My hard drive's located. Oh, I know why. It's in ADPI. It's in ADCPI mode. I have to turn it into IDE mode. Hang on. Turn off the computer. Alright, boot into the BIOS. I'm dumb. I forgot I had to change that from when I tried to install 10 on this Windows 10 on this thing, which didn't work very well at all. Now my cable here, my VGA cable here doesn't really like displaying this properly, but basically you just go in here, disable say the native support thing, and then try again. And then boot from the flash drive again, and yeah, there you go. Just someone said dot. Someone just said full stop. You have to retry the setup because I forgot to disable SATA mode and make it run in legacy IDE mode, so it actually runs on Windows XP. Yeah, dots TB. I'm just gonna say it, dots TV. Oop, TB. There you go. Dots TV. So now setup is starting again. So let me get the product key up again, because it's definitely going to ask me for that again. Alright. Next, interactive setup. Yep. Enter the product key. It is KFFT8R. No, KFF. Oh, no, there's no T. KFF8R. And then TMHF4. GKT2P. And then KGDHH. GDHH. And FXPMB. FXPMB. So that should be a good product key, and indeed it is. I accept the license agreement. My name is Silica. Organization is PS Mobile. Okay, next. Hopefully this will actually see my drive. Hey, there we go. Alright, so we want to delete the partition from the drive. So now let's just unpartition the space. Now I'll just create a new partition, the maximum size, and install on that. Okay, NTFS, drive here. Ooh, I can make the drive here I can make the main drive here not be C colon. Ah, that's so cool. What's a good drive yellow? What's a good drive yellow for the main local disk? That's such a cool feature. Dying girl. So that begins with D. So I'm gonna make a drive yellow D. Okay, drive D. There we go. Create a quick format. And show enable partition quick format. Okay. So local disk D. Hell yeah. Supplementary language script. I'm gonna say yes to both of those because I don't know what I'm gonna be doing with this. I'm gonna go select my time zone, which is Wellington, GMT plus 12. Auckland, Wellington. There we go. Alright, geographical location, New Zealand. Alright. Go. Now here's the cool thing about this, is you can actually do a minimum install of XP and only use 760 megabytes. Or you can do this, I'm gonna do a typical install because I know I'm going to need .NET. Alright, now I can choose my computer name. Ooh, okay, my computer name will be PSM Mini. I want to make a PlayStation Mobile Mini, like, you know, the PlayStation 1 Mini and, like, the Nintendo Mini. I want something like that. So my password will be, you actually can't make the password blank on, embedded. Huh, that solves the, ages old Windows 10, Windows XP exploit where you just do Control-Alt-Delete, type in administrator, and press enter, and you log in. You actually can't do that now because the password, you have to set a password. So I'm just gonna make a password be admin. I don't really care. Oh wait, it still wasn't yet me. Oh, is it because this has to be a dash? Yeah, it has to be a dash. Alright, never mind, you can have a blank password. Wait, no you can't. Oh, never mind. I'm just gonna go with admin. Oh, wow, okay, it doesn't let me have using admin. Okay, so this is the world's strongest password. Password. I don't actually want a proper password on this thing. Is the thing. I'll probably choose command prompt to set it to nothing after I'm done. Nope, has to contain, okay, fine. Fine. Enter my actual password. Okay. So TCP/IP settings, I will just, I do know, I'll do a DNS server 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. I don't know my subnet mask, so I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, that's good. I'll just join a work group, sure. Alright, so here are some of my settings, install. So it is now formatting drive D. It is not formatting drive C, it is formatting drive D. Because you can make it whatever drive you want. And he said dying girl, so that starts with D. So making it, so it did drive D. I really hope it doesn't break any software by me having my local disk as drive D instead of drive C. Because I almost guarantee tons of software probably just hardcode C colon slash something. Which wouldn't actually work with this setup because there is no C drive, which is kind of funny. The local disk is gonna be the D drive, which I've never seen done before, but that's gonna be very, very cool to look at. So yeah, it's copying the image, the OS, and this is very fast because this is running off a USB. This setup is. So I'm gonna actually look at the stream for a sec. Yeah. Okay, so it's it shows it installing. So that's so good. There's one sad thing though, and that is there is no Windows XP setup music here. Isn't that just terrible? There's no you know, none of that classic Windows XP install music. That's just not here. So that's a shame. But hey, you see, the setup is more like the setup for Windows 7 than it is for the setup for actually no, Windows Vista. It's more like the Windows Vista setup than it is like the Windows XP setup, which is, you know. Preparing registry. Yeah, it sets up the registry and then it restarts, and then preparing to restart computer. Why does it still say preparing registry if it's restarting a computer? Ready to restart. Your computer will restart in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. I assume I remove this USB now, and it can do the rest of the setup on its own. Watch me be totally wrong and it still needs USB insert or something. Oh, Windows XP! Oh yeah, it's booting into Windows XP! First boot agent FBA is starting. I've got a mouse. Initiating user profiles, installing Suga, and installing catalogs. This is different to how XP does it, don't you think? But if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm trying to make a PlayStation Mobile Mini, and I found like this old computer. I'm like, I could probably just put XP on there, install the PSM SDK, and just go. So that's what I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try just install a PSM SDK, and then just see if it can run PlayStation mobile games. You only need a capture card. That's expensive. It means buying stuff. I know I just bought a probably useless Ethernet adapter for the PS Vita that I'll probably never actually get to work on the actual console, and probably only for like some weird prototype. But I don't care. It means buying stuff. Buying a capture card's expensive. And besides, it's way cooler to be like old Dan walked one and just point a camera at the screen. Installing PNP devices. Can I move this window around? Oh, I can. Nice. If I hold shift, does it like do the... No? Aww. Yeah, there's one sin about this version of Windows XP though, and that is that, on POSREDY, there is no 3D pinball included on POSREDY. I know, it's a blasphemy, it is terrible. They have to have the 3D pinball, but on POSREDY they don't have 3D pinball installed by default. I know. It's just horrible. How dare they? And buy an HD Logitech webcam instead. Nah, I'd rather use my HP TrueVision HD. That was the built-in camera on my laptop. That's like falling apart, and like haven't upgraded, and like it's like 10 years old, and it still works and runs reasonably well. So I don't care. But then when I tried to play Gaia's Melody, it didn't work at all because modern web technology suck. And Adobe Flash is better because it doesn't use all the RAM. It should easier on PlayStation Mobile, I think. Because the PlayStation Mobile SDK was originally designed for Windows XP, so it should work. In fact, it should work better than it works on Windows 10, because it actually runs really badly on Windows 10, the PlayStation Mobile SDK does. It's actually terrible. The PSM Studio IDE just doesn't work at all. Luckily though, my friend Double Toker made a export for Visual Studio, which you can use. So, but yeah, basically, I have no idea if network's going to work on this. It says it's installing network, but who knows if network's actually going to work. That would be fun to see. This is great. Which phone do you have? I actually lost my phone a while ago, and I haven't gotten another one because it's expensive. I'm looking to get the Google Pixel though. I don't know which one. Probably like just whatever one I find. But it's made by Google, so it must be good. Alright, now it's doing nothing, and it's doing nothing again, and it's doing nothing again. This is such great content, isn't it? It's just me talking into the microphone. I feel bad for you. I need to donate you money. So go ahead. I'll very much appreciate that. I want to get that channel like join button, but like whenever I do, it says need to have more subscribers. So like, can you just like subscribe? Can everyone just subscribe? I want to get a dev kit, but like I never have enough to get a dev kit. But dev kits are amazing. uh. So what is this first boot agent even doing? Yeah, you could use like super chat if you want, or something. That probably works. I think I have super chat. I'm not sure. Um, installing components. It's processing. It's installing components again. So there's still no Windows XP install music, which is just, it's horrible. How dare they? I'm not even gonna get 3D pinball, but we'll get a really cool theme. So there's that. I'll get an exclusive theme that's exclusive to POSREDY, which is cool. Next stream, okay, I'll be sure to stream again then. I don't know what I'll stream next time. Seb cannot find installation media. Please reinsert your installation media and try again. Okay, I'll insert my USB drive. I didn't know USB drive still had to be inserted. I inserted it. Okay, there you go. I didn't know the USB drive still had to be inserted in there. I thought I could take it out. Simply also it wouldn't boot to it because it would always automatically boot to that because it was the first thing in the boot order. But now it's booted. I don't need to worry about that. So there we go. I think it's gonna be the first time anyone ever tries to run the PlayStation Mobile SDK on Windows Embeddable POSREDY. I don't think anyone's ever tried to do that before. POS takes a bit. Have you installed POS before? I did a typical install, which is apparently like 1 GB, which is crazy, seeing as this is XP. Having an XP install with 1 GB is just madness. Also the actual install is only is 630 and 36 megabytes, so you couldn't even fit the POSREDY install on a CDR, which is like it's a sin. You have to be able to fit on the CDR. I actually wanted to burn the CDR of the thing for originally, but turns out I can't do that. What happens if I could cancel on one of these things? Like, what happens if I just cancel this? Yeah, I am I'm curious as to how well software will react to me making my main Windows drive, yeah, that'd be drive D instead of drive C. Like, how much software hard codes C code and Slash shall be interesting to find out. Right, because I bet you so much software doesn't use the system drive environment variable like it's supposed to. I bet so much stuff just does C code and slash whatever. That I'm probably guilty of that with my education edition UWP crack. I'm pretty sure that just looks in C code and slash program file slash it doesn't use program files environment variable, which is how you should do it. So yeah, maybe I should have just made the drive yellow be C, but I said, well, should I make a drive yellow? And then someone said dying girl or something. Well, that begins with D, so let's do that. Installing components. You could, but I'll have to warn you, you probably won't be able to get it to do anything. I haven't received mine yet, but I'm fairly sure it's probably only for like either testing kits, which you might be able to use with Kex Directs, or it's for some prototype console that no one has. I actually don't know what it is at all. So if you do get one, just be aware you might not be able to use it at all. But you know, if you really want to, um, you just know what you're getting into. You probably won't be able to use it for anything. So alright. So it's rebooting again. So it's gonna try boot from the USB again. Do I have to move the USB again? I have to move the USB again. Or it's gonna try boot from it. Now if it's boot, I'll put USB back in case it needs it. So we've got a black screen with a blinking cursor, except you can't see the blinking cursor. How much is dev kit? I like often go for like $1,000. So like, yeah, you're looking at around that much, or like 1,000 euros or something. I've got a black screen with a blinking cursor that doesn't seem to want to do anything. Oh, it disappeared. Interesting. What's it doing now? That was the longest. It took forever to disappear. Now it's just a blank screen with nothing on it. Yay! Let's see if this will actually boot. It might take a bit, but hopefully, with any luck, it will actually boot. Oh, Microsoft Windows XP! Hell yeah! The best version of Windows. And we get that nice startup sound. Oh, it's still doing stuff, but now it actually says, this is build 2600, which is great because the original Windows XP, the latest Windows XP build was only 1512. It's like 1512, I think. It's the latest build of Windows XP, but you see here, this is build 2600, so it's actually newer. So yeah, resetting setup flag. Okay. So now it's rebooting again, which is great. Let me remove the USB so it actually boots the OS, and then put it back in. And we got a blinking screen again! Yay! My video is still on 3.16, I don't care what to do with it. Do you have any PlayStation mobile games installed? Because if you do, you should dump them. And then like upload them to me, and I'll put them on MPS, because game preservation is important. And I'll put them on my PlayStation Mobile Mini if I'm making. That's what this whole installation is for. I'm gonna make a PSM Mini, which is gonna be very fun. I'm probably just going to use Steam as like the UI, because I don't want to code my own. You don't have any mobile games. Do you know anyone who does? Because, like, I found, like, 3 people on the Vita Reddit who do, but they don't want to hack their console or dump it. So, like, it's so terrible, because it's gonna sit there and eventually I'll just get used them all. Maybe when a new WebKit exploit comes out, I can, like, modify it to make one that just dumps all the games and tell them, go to this website in the PS Vita, not tell them what it does. And know what's going on with this, like, yep, uploading all your licenses to me. It's booting XP. I've got a view screen. It says Windows Embedded POSRED, and it's installing more components. Come on, I just want to hear the amazing din 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 din. I want to hear that chime. First boot agents. This is evaluation copy, but like evaluation copy just means like use this forever and never buy it, right? I mean that's what it means in WinRAR. Yeah, in WinRAR, evaluation copy just means keep using this forever, and we'll just tell you to buy it, but we won't actually like make you buy it. That's sort of like what Windows 10 does now as well. Okay, it needs to install components faster. Alright, so do you like to see girls die or anything? Cause like I like to see girls die. I think that's very cute. What about you? Anyone? Girls are cute when they die. They just are. Anyone who says otherwise is just denying facts. Resetting setup flag. I mean, you can't argue with the facts and logic about girls dying being cute. I mean, it's just facts and logic. Oh, I booted to USB. Oops. This is why I didn't want to put the USB in, because I was like, it's gonna boot to the USB. And that was why. I did try boot to the USB. I have to take the USB out. He said super cute. Yes. Okay. Good. You understand. I'm just gonna get... Okay, I'm just gonna take out the USB and just hope it can kind of just deal with that. Because I don't want to sit here constantly taking out, throwing, and taking out, putting in. In fact, you know what? Next time it reboots, alright? I'm just gonna fucking change the boot order to, to not be, USB first, be OS first, and then I won't have to worry about that. I'll just make it never boot from USB. Okay, so we've got Windows Embeddable POSREDY 2009. Ooh, client computer settings. Ooh, username! Oh, what's my username? Like that. Okay, it's installed, but I don't know what my account is. Do I just enter nothing? Yeah, this was stupid. I don't know what my account is. It kept asking me enter a password. It kept being like, I don't have any password. I want to enter a password. I was like, no, you must enter a password. And now it's frozen on the screen for some reason. Oh, cannot log you in. Make sure your username and domain name is correct. Okay. Silicate in lowercase and then like. hell was the password? I don't want to make my password be. God damn it. I'm so bad at this. Alright. Never fail, because I have, Highland's boot CD. So, I'm gonna go grab my copy of Highlands and use that to reset the password, because I don't know why I fucking made it. I have no idea why I made the password be. So, let me go try to find my copy of Highlands, and I'll just, always boot into that and reset the password. I'm using Highlands because it doesn't let me in yet. Where is it? I forgot why I made my password. That was so dumb. I was like, it kept demanding it, and it's like a really good password. I was like, I really just wanted to just log in when I turn it on. Like, I don't really use passwords on my Windows computers because there's no point. It's super easy to reset, so I just don't bother. Alright. Okay, here is Highland's boot CD. So I'm gonna try boot it and see if it works. I actually have never tried using it on this computer, but and it should work. Alright, let me take out this copy of Windows XP I have in here and pop in Highland's boot CD. Take out the flash drive and restart the computer. Come on, I don't even get the din 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 din. Really? I don't even get that. It's so terrible. I deserve the din 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 din. Windows is shutting down. Ah, typical good old XP. I'll have to see if I can enable the classic XP shutdown menu, cause you gotta have that, right? Like, alright, boot from CD. Hear it getting mad. Let me look through here, see if I can find another copy of Highlands. Because I don't think it likes this one. A copy of Windows Neptune. It doesn't seem to like me. I found another Highlands boot CD. Maybe this one will work. I've burnt it quite a few times because I could update it so often, so I actually had to get new copies of it. And I literally burnt it to a CD as well, because let me turn this off and then back on. Okay. Another copy of Highlands. Hopefully this one actually works. Okay. um. Yep. Boot from CD. Oh yay! It worked. Okay. Okay, it worked. I'm in Highlands, so it's booting to Mini Windows XP, and then reset the password of uh. If you don't know about Highlands Boot CD, then you should. It's amazing. It's like a CD that has just like a ton of bootable utilities on it, and you can like one of them is to reset Windows passwords. So you know. Okay. So we are here on Highlands Boot CD. Now the first thing you should do is run install all hardware. You know, just because. And this runs off a RAM drive if you don't know. And then put it into full resolution, and then open the HBCD menu. Go to Programs. Go to Password / key. So this is showing a tutorial on how crack Windows passwords. And then I think it was MPTW edit. Is that the one I use? I don't remember what one I use. There's like 30 programs they have for doing this. So this doesn't. I don't think this one. I don't know what drive it is. Is it D? No. Is it C? Okay, it's C. So I think I can then just go here and change password, set them all to nothing. I think like that. Okay, and then I can just log into administrator, right? Oh, I've got to save the changes. I'm terrible. I've got to save the changes. Burn. I don't remember when I made the password. Windows login MPTW edit. Reopen. Change password. Set to nothing. Administrator. Change password. Set to nothing. Support. Whatever. Change password. Set to nothing. Save changes. Exit. This time I can save changes, so it will actually work. Okay, now you just take out Highlands Boot CD. In fact, when you turn off Highlands Boot CD, it's really awesome. There's an option when you turn it off to eject all, which is just, it just ejects the CD for you and then boots you into the OS. Isn't that awesome? Now, turn it back on. And now I can just log into administrator in theory. That's probably why it wasn't working, because the account name was administrator, not stalker. I guess I should have tried that. Oh well. I reset the password now. So now first have an administrator, then it will work. Okay, now we know how to log in. Admin is a traitor. Hey, it's working now. Amazing! Yay, Highlands! Yay, Highlands Boot CD. Okay, Windows Embeddable POSREdy. Amazingly, it seems to have my whole display drive already. So this is Windows Embeddable. Now, you actually can't see this because my TV screen is terrible and likes to cut off part of this. But basically, you've got, this is all it comes with, right? It is network communications and Internet Explorer with no add-ons. And that's basically it. That's basically all it has when you install it. Um, which is great. And also, even on POSReady, it still complains about having an antivirus, which is amazing. All right, let me turn the screen resolution up to that. Much better. Okay. So I'm now going to try plugging an Ethernet cable into this and see if I can connect the internet. So that'll be fun. And I can try get some drivers, and then I can try download the PlayStation Mobile SDK, and then I can try running PSM games. So yeah. I could probably make a new user or something as well, but alright. There we go. Plugged in the Ethernet cable, and it seems to be connecting, so that's not a problem. So we are now connected to the internet, so we can now use the best browser for downloading another browser to go connect. So I doubt we'll actually open Microsoft.com, but oh, I can. Nice. Can I open Can I go to Tamatown on fucking? Can I go to Tamagotchi Town? My rewritten version on here. Yeah, just display block content. Come on, run the Flash player. You don't have Flash? There's no Flash player. It's terrible. It doesn't even support HTML5 properly and actually loads the wrong icon. Alright. PSMreborn.com. This is where I want to go. I want to go to PSMreborn.com. Look at this. Look at what it does to the site. Okay. The site actually loads though. Because my site is good like that, and it works even on Internet Explorer 7. So it doesn't work perfectly, but it works, which is good. Alright. Alright. I said Ethernet the proper way. It's not my fault you Americans say it wrong. American English isn't real English. Okay, PlayStation Mobile SDK. Let's go. Okay. SDK 2.00. Yep, run. So let's see how well this thing can run PlayStation Mobile games. Oh, well, I should go get some drivers. Almost can be certain that it doesn't have the drivers it needs. How do I open device manager on this thing? How do you open device manager on POSReady? I can't, there's no search function. I don't remember how to do it on XP. Do you just go properties and then like hardware device manager? There we go. Okay. So it's missing all these. So now connect to the internet. We can try search through a Windows update. Yes, use Windows update to search. Yes, and every time I connect a new device. Okay, do that. Yep, so install it automatically. Go. See if you can find it. I doubt it, but never know. Yeah, it cannot install hardware. Why am I not surprised? It can't find the drivers for any of this. Brilliant. Okay. Okay, let's go search. There is a problem with the search certificate. Yeah, because my time's wrong. Just continue anyway. Don't care. Okay. Driver identifier. This is a program I like to use for finding my drivers. It's actually really good. Except I can't know the websites. In fact, it's not that I can't know the websites. I can't know Google's redirect to the website. I can probably load the website fine. Is this like a TOS 2.0 issue? Hang on. I got this. nopaystation.com/proxy/https:// I'm a genius. What? I can't know PlayStation.com/proxy it either. Maybe that's because it's not how it actually works. I don't know. Via hypothesis.is. Okay, I can use the hypothesis.is thing to do it. Okay. Come on. It should work. Yeah, there we go. That's actually working. It's going up the page. Okay, brilliant. Brilliant. It says get around. Download Firefox. No! It will be always slow. Download driver. I don't want to download any browsers, okay? I don't need browsers for what I'm doing. Told you, I can just run it this way. Easy. There we go. Alright. Now issue is it's gonna take me to a website and I'm not gonna be actually access it in Internet Explorer. Yeah, it's gonna take me to I'm not actually gonna access it in Internet Explorer. I'm gonna have to go to the page and via hypothesis.is as well. Please wait for a moment. Looks like you didn't have an internet connection. Okay, so it wants me to do it on my computer. I don't actually have to, but it's because the browser doesn't like a browser. But as you see here, if I just click here, it loads anyway. So who cares? Not me. It just probably doesn't like a JavaScript. You probably have to do it with JavaScript, and like JavaScript doesn't work on it very well. Open a new tab. Okay. Internet Explorer cannot display this page. Why not? Ah! You can display the other page. Fucking TOS. Fucking HTTP ruining compatibility of decades old browsers. Damn it. New viewing website. I know how to use this crap. Okay, so you scroll down to... Yeah, so this is not an HP, but it's a Compaq. And doesn't HP own Compaq now or something? Right? I think so. So, in theory, I should just be able to click this and download it. I think. I don't know Firefox. No! Shut up about downloading Firefox. I'm not downloading Firefox. I refuse. I will just do this in XP. With purely Internet Explorer, the best browser in the world. I can't click this link. Why isn't this link working? Save target as. Open link in new tab. Register.php, okay. There you go. That's my account. Do you want to turn auto-complete on? No. Shut up, Internet Explorer. Best browser. So I registered. You happy now? Oh, doesn't it register with nonsense info anymore? Okay. I'll enter an actual email then. There you go. So let's download Firefox. Okay, it's not working at all. Right, you know what? I'll run a better browser. I have Highlands, so I can just run it from there. Right? I'm a genius. I got this. I love how my website loaded no problems, but everyone else's websites suck and can't load in here. Okay, so here's what I'll do. I'll just run browser, internet, those browsers, file managers, Opera web browser. Okay, happy now? Fucking run it this way. Alright, there you go. I'm running a better browser. Alright, my certificate's wrong. Let me just change my time. Approve. Yeah, approve. Time in NZ. I need to make sure the time's correct. Because otherwise it's going to screw up. So it is not April, it is September, and it is the 31st. It is the 3/16 on the 21st of September. Gosh, it's almost a starter. Can't wait for a starter. Okay, now I can try run the driver identify thing with this. So I'll make sure I don't have an internet connection when I actually do. Alright, and I'll just get it to give me the file, and I'll just open it in Opera, and then work, right? Because it's a better browser. This is like the best browser I've found for using an XP, because it actually like this browser works on XP, no problem. Open this in here. There we go. This browser is the best browser I've found for XP because it works with modern web technologies some reasonably well, but it also doesn't lag like crazy on old hardware. So submit there. Okay, and yep, approve. God, I already changed the time. What's your problem? I already changed the time. Approve. Fucking hell. Approve. Approve. I changed the time already. Is it still wrong? September 21st. 2019. Okay. Now we shouldn't get SSL errors. It's only a year behind. Alright, I want the unknown device. Unable to complete a secure transaction. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, sure. Alright. HTTP. Alright. I guess I can't open it in here either. Alright, you know what? I'm actually going to use another computer. Because actually, you know what? Your idea of downloading Firefox, I'm actually gonna do that. It's terrible. I hate Firefox, but you know what? You asked me to, so I'll do it. This is you happy now? I'm gonna download Firefox. Firefox, okay? You happy? I'm downloading Firefox. Oh, yep. Continue the web page. Download. Oh, shut up. Download. Shut up. So how do where is the actual download? Oh, great, try to use JavaScript to make it download, and so you can't even download it on Windows XP. Brilliant! You know how great that is if it tries to use JavaScript to make it download the fucking thing? Display block contents. Fucking work. No, it should start automatically. It's using JavaScript to try and make it download. It doesn't actually work. I can't even download Firefox, you piece of crap. Alright. You tell me to download Firefox, but I can't because it doesn't work. Alright, maybe if I try download Firefox with Opera and then use that, like maybe that will work. So, I also have the Tor browser. Will the Tor browser work? The Tor browser might actually work. It's the funny thing. Alright. I'll go down Firefox. I was down Firefox just to get the drivers, and then I'll uninstall because I don't actually need it. Alright. I'm trying to keep this thing as yo as possible. Alright. No longer supported. Firefox is no longer supported on internet on Windows XP. Okay. Not Windows 32-bit, Windows 32-bit. An MSI might work, but I'm gonna do 32-bit. As well as we have to download Firefox. Is there like a super lightweight version of Firefox? No, there's not. Okay. Download. Alright. Save to the desktop. Yep. Alright. Downloading Firefox. You happy now? Are you happy now? Alright, I should run Windows Update on here as well. Where is some search? Sucks. I'm so not used to this. On Mac updates, okay. Mac recommended. Alright, how do I make it look for Windows updates? Windows update, go. Update my Windows. I clicked on it, nothing's happening. There's just a blank page. That doesn't do anything. I can't even use Windows Update. This is terrible. Okay, is that because it's no longer supported or something? Probably. Okay, download Firefox is complete. So, now I can close out of this. I can eject the Highlands boot CD. Eject. And I can eject this. Run the Firefox up. Okay, Firefox installation wizard. Standard. Don't says my default, just don't. So this is downloading the PSM SDK from psmreborn.com. So you launch Firefox now, okay. Don't import anything, just run the damn program. Yeah, run PSM SDK install, come on. Yeah, installing the PlayStation Mobile SDK on fucking... it's awesome. Installing a PlayStation Mobile SDK on POSREDY, so that's awesome. Alright, so we got Firefox. That actually is working, which is very surprising. The latest version of Firefox is running with basically no problems. I'm impressed. I thought I have to run like stick of very old software, but no, apparently not. Let me go get a driver identifier to try use Firefox instead of It's weird. Don't you think it's weird that PlayStation Mobile tries to install .NET Framework? Like, it has Mono, but like, it still wants .NET Framework for some dumb reason. Why can't it just use Mono since, you know, it has it? Install Microsoft.NET Framework. Okay. Luckily though, it doesn't require one that's too high for this to run. Okay, now we can try run driver identifier properly. Okay, so the first thing I want to download is probably this one, because it's like the first one on the list. So it's just being really slow while not really fixing any problems. Insecure connection. Oh my god, my time is correct. Stop bugging me about insecure connections. How do I just add an exception for this site? Okay. Confirm security exception. I'll just go. Just let me go and download the damn drivers already. It says not install .NET Framework. I don't care, okay? Just don't send the report. You just deal with it and do something else. It doesn't know it's install .NET Framework, so whatever. Yeah, install. Just PlayStation Mobile shouldn't actually need any of those things for what I'm trying to do anyway. I only need the like I don't need the full SDK really. I only need like a few files from it. So it should be fine. Okay, there we go. Now it's saying me download the drivers. Amazing. So I've got myself SP whatever from the thing, and I don't like how it's got no icon, but it could just have no icon because it hasn't downloaded it yet, because how would it possibly know what the icon is if it hasn't been downloaded, right? That kind of makes sense, so I'm just gonna go with that. Installation is complete. Okay, so that one worked. Oh, there we go. Now it's installing the rest of it, so it doesn't really care. So that just probably means the PSM SDK most likely won't work, but aside from that, everything else will work. So, and I don't need the PSM, like, I don't need the actual PSM Studio or any of that. I literally just need the simulator to work. So, as long as you got that, all good. So let me go down to more drivers. So go back. Honestly, just a pain in the ass to actually set up this stuff. And the network card probably can't update unless they have a newer Windows. That's probably how it works. Always how it works. Use the HP one. So realistically, I could probably use the Microsoft one, but I don't really care. So this will get me actual audio, so it won't just be making beeps. That's pretty important if you want to play games on this, like PlayStation Mobile. Hi, I'm setting up this stuff. I'm basically just downloading a bunch of drivers for this computer. So yeah. This is the fax modem, something I definitely need on here. You know, I definitely need that fax modem to work fully, so, you know, I'll get that. Yep, save file. Ethernet control. Ethernet already works, but, he's offering me a Novo. Here's an HP one, so that'll work. 2009 Config 257 yoke. It's based off Windows XP, so. And oh, the connection died. Nice. Refresh. I'm on this one. Yeah, I need to get the audio driver to work. So this is the fax driver, which is very important. I definitely need the fax. Unable to create specified output. It tries to save it in C colon. D colon. Hell yeah. That's my local disk, dude. That's actually amazing. It tried to save it in the D colon slash. Continue anyway. I don't care if it hasn't passed Windows XP certification. It's gonna work. Okay, that's done. Continue anyway. I live on the edge. Well, XP in 2009. I don't know. Ask Microsoft. There was some weird point of sale operating system based on XP. I think the 2012 one is based off 7. I don't know. Alright, so PlayStation Mobile SDK is installed. So that's cool. Install this one now too. So yep. This is the audio drivers. All I do is hopefully the audio actually work properly. Oh, that's right, I can't save because the D colon. Because my local disk is D, not C. Hard-coded, all software hard-coded C colon, which is funny. Yeah, you on the install screen, let me choose what drive I want to use my like what drive yet I want the local disk to be. Because I can make it something other than C colon. That would probably break a lot of software. Okay, yep, okay. Continue anyway. A file ksuser.dol on Windows XP Professional Service Pack 3 CD is needed. Part for the file is located. And then click OK. Ooh, I wasn't actually want to install. I actually have a Windows XP SP3 install CD. So I'll just go insert that. Not the Minecraft Windows XP. If I remember correctly, that's a virus that deletes System32. If I wrote one time. I need the audio to work. That's the thing. Microsoft Windows XP SP3 on an actual CD. in theory, this should be fine. Maybe I just need to update my Windows, possibly. I could cancel and it seems to be doing it anyway, so whatever. Let's see what this is. This is alright. Failure. So it didn't install the Windows driver for the sound. It's downloading updates, so perhaps after downloads the updates it'll work, but who knows. I need to retry this and retry this one. Okay, so it didn't like that. I was missing some file, I think. Perhaps if I run it now with the disk inserted, it will work. Right, that's right, I can't do C colon. I can't do C colon. It's D colon. Why did I make a D colon? That's gonna break so much. I mean, it really is. Right, vote my computer. Right, so the CD drive is what? Do I even have the CD driver installed? I don't have the CD drive. Oh, I do have it installed. It's on E drive. Yes to all. Yeah, I think the DLL ones is on E drive. So open. Okay, click OK to install. Continue anyway. And it tells me where do you want to grab this from? Okay, and then it tells me the Windows XP setup thing is installed is needed. So I'm gonna try search for KSUser.dll. See if I can find it on the actual CD. And no, it's still there. Oh, found it! It found it. Open containing folder. Okay, browse. And now it's yagging like hell because I click browse and it like doesn't like loading stuff. Okay. So on C colon, so on E colon, I whatever, right? And then under SP3, I didn't like that. Right, it has to be extra. It has to not be in here. It has to be in outside of the cab file, I think. The one on SP3 is probably newer. So let me try copy out the SP3 cabinet. Like extract the SP3 cabinet. Hacking so hard. It's because Firefox is open. And Firefox is like a huge memory hog. Okay, so here it is. ksuser.dll. Let me copy this out. Alright, copying it out to the home drive, to the home screen. the desktop, if you will. Alright, there you go. Copy.ksuser.whatever. Here you go. There's your ksuser.dol. Enjoy. Yes. Cannot find ksproxy.ax. I'll give you that too. I hope it doesn't break my install. It shouldn't, but you know, you never know. ksproxy.ax. Yes. Cannot find ks. Alright. You know what? Let's just delete this. Let's make a new folder. XPSP3. Okay, let's open up this folder and let's just copy everything from here into here. And then just tell it to look in that folder and it should find everything it needs. Okay. Let's download these drivers while we wait as well. These are both Lenovo drivers, which probably won't work. What does this have? Does this have anything that's not a Lenovo driver? It says some Intel. It says some stuff specifically for Windows XP on here, which is good. I'll grab those. So that's the graphics driver. So that should make it run a bit faster if it has a graphics driver. Okay, now it's just the agony hell. I just want to eject the CD. It would probably be easiest just to use a USB for this. Like faster. So I'm just gonna extract. I'm just gonna take out the CD if it will get me. It's like frozen. Eject the CD and cancel the fucking copy. I don't care. Okay. I'm sure Windows Update will deal with it. Processes. Kill this. Yes. Kill. What else is run by me? Set up the exe. Kill. Okay, and then finally let me kill Explorer. There we go. Okay. So I'd say this probably I'll be able to get that driver installed eventually, but at the moment not. Okay, so we have the PSM SDK, so I'm downloading the video card driver, which is, you know, pretty important, I'd say. Let's click here to download the video card driver. Let's get the video card driver on here. Yeah, download the video card driver. And this SM bus controller is done by whatever. So Don't exit. So we get these complete. And then we can see how well PlayStation mobile games run on this thing. Not very well due, not having any sound at the moment, but that's because fucking wants DLLs, but only in the actual Windows XP, but aren't in like this Windows XP or something. I don't know. But it said they were already there, so like maybe I could just literally just tell it like browse from the Windows folder. I might try that. Where does this download to again? Let's open this up. Let's open this one. So the main one I need is sound and graphics to work, right? If we got that, then the rest is... You know what it's probably doing? It's probably trying to look on C colon slash Windows and seeing it's not there. I'm thinking, oh, we need to insert the disk with it. But really, it's just because it's D colon instead of C colon. That's probably it. Initializing application, blah blah blah. Okay, installing device drivers. Alright, and then I'm just going to just gonna tell it to look. First, I'm gonna see if it can work there. Okay, it can't. So I'm gonna go to here. I'm just gonna go to there, then Windows, and System 32. There you go. There's your KS user DLL. Do I have my USB drive with this on it? I mean, I can't imagine that they didn't think a point of sale device wouldn't need sound. I mean, they always tell you to please place an item in the bagging area, so you know, they definitely need sound. So like, it should just be able to do this. Right? Inside the SP3 cabinet, here we go. ks.sys. Yeah, see, there is a ks.sys here. Don't know if that's .sys or if that's just because it's if that's a known file type as like .sys, or if that's I don't see other .sys, so this could be it. Yeah, it's a system file. Let's make a new. It's so stupid. A new folder. Open this up and then copy all of this into a new folder. And this should actually work because this is on my USB. So look at how fast it's going. And these are the actual files it's expecting. You just kill set up .exe then, and then come on. 20 years later. So much later that the old narrator got bored and we had to hire a new one. Okay, try this again, but this time I've got the actual sys files that's going to demand I tell it where are. Because it's so stupid and can't find them itself because it thinks that everything's C drive. Watching, no one's watching. Whatever. Jack C yoga.web software updates. Shut up about your software updates. No one cares. No one cares. Internet. Okay. Continue anyway. And there we go. I think it's actually working now. Ha. That made it work. Success! It says it was successfully installed now. Okay, now let's try on the graphics card installer. Yep, install. There's output through HDMI, except there isn't even an HDMI output on this thing, but whatever. If there was, it would let me do that. Okay. Please wait for this driver is installed. Okay. No graphics driver is supposed to be installed, but I have to restart my computer. So let me go grab a PlayStation mobile game and try running it. Alright, because that seems the logical thing to do. So, what's a good PlayStation mobile game? Let's just show ones I can play in the simulator. I think 10 by 8 is a good example game to show this. Download this. Okay, let's try running it in the simulator. See what happens. Nothing happens. I accidentally closed the download. So, what just happened? Why did my screen just go 3 colors? Why is my screen gone to having no colors whatsoever? What just happened? Just what? 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 What is it doing? Oh great, it's gonna shut itself down and one out. That was a very short evaluation period. I have to go find the Windows XP activator. Ah. Windows POS Ready activator. What can I use to activate this? Fucking ridiculous, you can see a screen already. Get to the point where what do I do? Administrative tools, okay. System services. Yep. software protection. Properties. Disable. So disable the software protection service. Is it really that easy? Well, I don't see software protection in here. So why the hell is my screen gone all blue and like weird colored? Let me stop Alvis. Let me just close Alvis. What is wrong here? Like, why is my screen not full colors? Right, let me restart. Alright, maybe when I turn it back on, the colors won't be all messed up. I don't know why that happened. They just decided, yep, we don't work anymore. Okay, doesn't seem to want to display this, but it is actually working on my screen and has the full resolution. So I'd say the graphics card's working now, but you can't see it on the screen as it doesn't want to output. So because it doesn't want to output, if it doesn't come back enough to stop the stream. Variation. It's complaining about the evaluation period being over, whatever. And then it just restarted. So, yeah, it is working, but it's complaining about the evaluation period. So, that might be because I set the time forward like a ton. Alright, I guess